Hey lovely people, so look what we have here. We have our sweet and juicy barbecue pork chops with mashed potato and a few veg. Right guys, so come along with me, let's prepare this scrumptious meal. Hey guys, welcome back to our next cooking video. And today we have here pork chops. Yes guys, it's already seasoned. As you know, I seasoned my meat prior to the time, so this was like in season like a week ago, and I'm going to barbecue it. Right, so first I'm going to cook it for a bit, and then we're going to prepare it for the oven. So come along with me and let's prepare our barbecue pork chops. And it will be served with some mashed potatoes. So let's get cooking. So here we have the pot being heated. That is a little tiny tip of cooking oil, not much. They know pork have its own fat and oil, so you don't need much overall. When you're cooking pork, you don't need a lot of oil, just a tiny tip, little to none. Okay, so I'm just browning these a bit, and then I'm going to add a little a small amount of water to it and allow it to slow cook. Okay, so guys, it's coming down to the finishing for the pork to be cooked, for me to add it to the oven. So in the meantime, I am making the sauce for the barbecue, and here is, I already added the orange juice. So this is the orange juice with some sugar. As you can see, the sugar is not yet dissolved, and I'm using Spirit Tree Jerk Barbecue. Already put the orange juice, a little jam, not much, with some island spice jerk sauce, and oh, could I forgot ketchup, Grace ketchup, right? So this would add the coloring and the spice for the barbecue. Okay guys, while the Irish is over there cooking, so the Irish is cooking, just added a little more water. When this dry down in a few minutes, then it's time for the oven. Put the sauce on, oven time. So this is the sauce pan. I'm going to place them in this. And guys, you know already, for your mashed potato, the butter, your mayonnaise, you can add a little tip of black pepper to it with shred pieces of sweet pepper to bring up the taste of your mashed potato, right? Because you want to have it tasting nice, and more mayonnaise you use, more creamy it will be. Okay now people, so time to put the sauce on it and add it to the oven. The oven is preheated at 200 degrees. It's been heating for like the past 10 minutes now. So I'm just going to add the sauce and then place it inside the oven. So you want to saturate all of it with the sauce. Then you cover it with the foil paper and place it in the oven. Cover these now and place it inside the oven for at least 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's finished, guys. Barbecue pork chops, sweet and juicy. So I'm going to share and present now. Okay, lovely people, so here we have it all, share and present with a few vegetables. Yes guys, so this is our barbecue pork chops with mashed potatoes and some veg. So that's the vibes for today and this video. Okay guys, and thank you for staying tuned and see how we prepare this meal. Thank you for every like, share, comment. It's much appreciated, every subscription. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so until my next video,